how to download and install Mortal Kombat 1 on PC. So first you have to install Steam. To do that, go to any web browser that type Steam download, or you can also type store steampowered.com and click the first site here. And what you want to do is to click this button that says install Steam, and then you will see it above that is now starting to download, and all you have to do is to click that one, go to download folder, and then run this as administrator. Once done, go to the search bar and then look for Steam, open Steam, and then this time you have to look for store, or you can go to the search bar and then type Mortal Kombat 1 and then press enter. Now after that, you need to add this to cart. Okay, click the game, and then here you have to scroll down and then look for add to cart. Okay, and then you will have two options, or you will see two options here: purchase for myself or purchase as a gift. So let me tap this purchase for myself, and then here it will take you to the payment method. So we have options here like PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, and so on. So if you want to pay this by PayPal, tap this one, click continue. You can read the instruction here and then click PayPal again. And then here you just have to enter your PayPal email address and then click next and then purchase this game. Once you have purchased this, you can go to library, open the game, and start playing the game. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.